Hi, this is Vizzy Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your story won't appear on archive. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Facebook stories have become one of the most popular features globally. They allow users to share bite-sized content in the form of photos, videos, and posts. This feature encourages creativity with the addition of emojis, stickers, text, location, text, hashtag, audio filters, and the ability to tag other accounts. This innovative feature has not only captivated consumers but also played a crucial role in successful marketing campaigns. And also, when you create story, the story will be disappear after 24 hours and will be saved on the archive stories. But what if you can't find your stories on the archive? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix it. It's maybe because your settings to automatically save your story to archive is disabled. So you can set the settings on your Facebook. You can go to your Facebook setting from here, settings and privacy, tap on settings. Now you can just scroll down. You'll find there is an option stories on the audience and visibility section. Choose on stories. And here's the problem. If you can't find your stories on the archive, it means because the archive stories on your Facebook is disabled. So you can just enable it by tapping here. So now, whenever you make story and after 24 hours your story will be saved on the archive, you can check on your archive story in here. So if you want to see your archive, you can go to activity log and choose on archive. So in here you can choose on story archive, and here's all the archive story on your Facebook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to fix your story won't appear on the archive. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.